Hey there, my friends. Are you ready to unlock the incredible power of your subconscious mind and manifest anything your heart desires? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the teachings of the renowned Neville Goddard, who has revealed a technique that allows us to train our subconscious mind to manifest our deepest desires. But here's the catch. It must be followed exactly. Many people struggle to achieve success because they haven't fully grasped the importance of following the precise process. Today, we're here to change that and guide you through the exact steps to train your subconscious mind effectively. Imagine a life where your subconscious mind becomes your greatest ally, effortlessly aligning with your commands and bringing forth the manifestation of everything you want. It's within your reach, my friend, and we're here to show you how. In this video, we're going to break down the simple yet powerful process explained by Neville Goddard. Together, we'll explore how to tap into the immense potential of your subconscious mind and direct it towards manifesting your dreams. We'll reveal the missing pieces that hold people back from achieving the results they desire and ensure you avoid the pitfalls that hinder success. But let's be clear, this isn't just another manifestation technique. This is a transformative journey of reprogramming your subconscious mind, establishing new beliefs, and stepping into your full creative potential. Are you ready to embark on this incredible adventure? Get ready to learn practical strategies, discover the significance of imagination and feeling, and unleash the true power of your subconscious mind. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools needed to train your subconscious mind effectively, allowing you to manifest a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. So, my friends, if you're ready to take control of your subconscious mind and unlock the limitless potential within, watch this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future empowering videos. Let's dive into the exact process to train your subconscious mind and watch as your dreams become a magnificent reality. Get ready to manifest anything you desire. Welcome, my friends, to a life of transformation and manifestation mastery. Let's begin this incredible journey together. Are you seeking to reprogram your subconscious mind and manifest your desires quickly? It is possible with the right technique, which can help you in as little as 3 days. This method was developed by Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher and author who spoke of the law of attraction. According to Goddard, we all have access to our subconscious minds. However, it is programmed with various things learned in childhood. To achieve success quickly, it is important to reprogram this part of our mind correctly. Here's how it works. First, it's important to focus on a single goal without overthinking the process. Take some time to calmly assess what needs to be done and understand what needs focus before beginning this technique. Next comes visualization. Visualize yourself achieving your desired outcome already achieved or in progress, and feel the feelings associated with that successful outcome as if you already have them now. Affirmations are also essential. Choose positive statements that will empower you on this journey so that each time they are uttered, they become even more ingrained into your subconscious mind. Finally, commit yourself fully and stay focused on what matters most, achieving success at an accelerated rate. This technique can not only help those looking for quick results, but also those wanting to take control of their own subconscious minds in order to maximize its potential for long-term success. With dedication and commitment towards achieving one's goals through reprogramming their own subconscious mind, great success can be achieved very quickly. Are you looking to manifest success in your life? Do you want to reprogram your subconscious mind to manifest desires within days? If so, it's time to utilize the power of fun and permission. These two words may seem like an unlikely combination when it comes to achieving success, but they are essential for creating a clear path towards manifestation. Let's examine how these two commands can assist you in achieving any goal or desire in life. Fun is a powerful command that our brains accept and respond to. It can help us avoid procrastination when facing difficult tasks. Instead of perceiving something as boring or time-consuming, think of it as fun by associating the task with something that brings joy or excitement into your life. This mindset will make the task more enjoyable and keep you motivated on the path towards manifestation. Visualization is also crucial when striving for success. Visualize or feel what success looks like for yourself and how you will feel once you have achieved it. This practice will help you associate fun with the steps required to attain your desired outcome, making them easier and more enjoyable along the way. The second command used in manifestation is yes, allowing yourself permission to feel and experience anything that your heart desires without letting fear or doubt hinder you. When we give ourselves permission, instead of denying our dreams due to fear, we open up endless possibilities that were previously closed off to us. So make sure that every day you give yourself permission to dream big, take risks, and follow through on those dreams, no matter what obstacles may arise during this journey. The law of attraction states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. In other words, whatever we give our attention and energy to will come back to us. To manifest your desires, it is important that you first allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with them. Take a few moments each day and inhale deeply while focusing on the feeling associated with what you want. Say yes as it comes up in your head and exhale with a feeling of relief. This exercise will give you permission to experience more joy associated with your desire, making it easier for the subconscious mind and law of attraction to work together for manifestation purposes. For those who are new to this process, watching videos may help explain how manifestation works better than reading books or videos alone. Our channel offers videos based on Neville Goddard's teachings about manifestation, specifically designed for beginners like yourself. Watch these videos and learn how to properly train your subconscious mind so you can manifest what you want in 3 days or less. Thank you for joining us on this life-changing exploration of manifestation and the power of reprogramming your subconscious mind through Neville Goddard's teachings. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and strategies to unlock your manifestation abilities. If you found this content helpful and enlightening, please take a moment to hit the like button below. Your support means the world to us and encourages us to continue creating more empowering videos like this one. And if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more transformative content on manifestation, mindset, and personal development. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with our community and receive regular updates on new videos that will support you in your growth and success. Remember, with practice comes progress. Today, you have taken the first step toward reprogramming your subconscious mind and manifesting your desires. So don't wait any longer. Take action and apply what you've learned from Neville Goddard's teachings. Thank you once again for being part of our community and joining us on this empowering journey. Together, let's create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Wishing you tremendous success as you reprogram your subconscious mind and manifest your desires. Keep believing, keep taking inspired action, and create the life of your dreams. Until next time, stay empowered and manifest your greatness.